Want to make $12,000 before Christmas? Here's how. Imagine the potential of padding your wallet by selling digital planners and stickers on Etsy. Intrigued? You should be. Stay tuned to learn how to take advantage of this lucrative opportunity. Firstly, understanding Etsy is crucial. It's an online marketplace, home to a vibrant community of creators and buyers. Particularly, it's a hotspot for those seeking unique digital planners and stickers. This makes it an excellent platform for your creative endeavors. Knowing your platform is the first step towards success. Now, it's time to create your digital planners and stickers. Start by exploring various design tools. Apps like Canva, Adobe Spark, or even Microsoft PowerPoint can help you craft stunning digital products. Remember, creativity and uniqueness are your best allies. Try different color schemes, fonts, and layouts. Add a dash of your personality to each design. Think outside the box, and don't be afraid to experiment. After all, this is your art, your product. With your unique digital products, you're ready to stand out. And setting up your Etsy shop is your next step. You'll need to decide on pricing, craft captivating product descriptions, and create compelling promotional images. It's all about showcasing your digital planners and stickers in the best light. Your shop is set, and it's time to rake in the profits. But how do you get customers to your shop? Let's talk marketing. The first strategy is social media advertising. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Pinterest can be your best friends, helping you reach a broader audience. Next, consider SEO optimization. Use keywords in your product descriptions to help potential customers find you. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of customer reviews. Positive feedback builds trust and attracts more buyers. With effective marketing, you'll be on your way to that $12,000 goal. So, are you ready to make $12,000 before Christmas? It's time to start your Etsy shop, creating and selling digital planners and stickers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more money-making tips. And watch our video on how to make money with this AI side hustle. Your journey to financial freedom starts here.